LG electric range, choosing proper cookware for the cooktop. This video will show you how to choose the proper cookware for the cooktop on an electric range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch the cooktop surface while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down. Choosing proper cookware for the cooktop. For the most efficient cooking, fit the cookware size to the element size. The cookware should not extend more than 1/2 to 1 inch beyond the cooking area. Do not use a large element for a small pan. It may waste energy, and the exposed burner area poses a burn or fire risk. Cookware should have flat bottoms that make good contact with the entire surface heating element. A ruler makes it easy to check the flatness of the cookware base. Make sure the cookware is centered and balanced above the cooktop elements. The cookware material determines how evenly and quickly heat is transferred from the surface element to the pan bottom. The most popular materials available are aluminum, copper, stainless steel, cast iron, porcelain enamel, and glass. Cast iron and glass cookware are not recommended for use on ceramic glass cooktops. Here are some things to keep in mind when using cookware for cooking on the cooktop. 1. Do not use foil or foil-type containers. The foil may melt onto the glass. 2. Do not use plastic items to cover food while it is on the cooktop. Plastic may melt onto the surface and will be very difficult to remove.